What is that out there?
Yeah.
What's out there?
It's ants. Bugs.
No, the bugs in the trees. What are they?
What are those bugs called?
What sound are they making?
Bugs come from. Bugs come from.
Where them bugs come from? I see one flying around. Hey, what are those? What's those buggies' name?
Doing. What
Huh.
are bugs?
Listen, you hear him?
What are bugs
That's him.
doing?
He's flying around.
I'm climbing.
Yeah. Hey, do you hear those? What are those? You hear it sound?
What's their name?
Trees.
No.
Well, the bug's name. What's
buggies.
the bug's
You hear
name?
them making sound? What's that new sound?
Yeah.
What do they sound like?
What's that? No, it said flying.
Oh, that's just a little fly. Bee fly.
I got it.
Hmm.
He's not gonna say it now.
No. Oh, man. Don't throw that. Oh, man.
See it?
Yeah, you're supposed to do that in the backyard, dude.
I know that. I use it.
The flag? No. You hit. It's too easy to hit people with that.
All right, buddy, we gotta go. You ready?
Lolo,
Gotta go
come
to
on,
the
honey.
van. Come on, let's go.
Oh.
Lolo, don't bite.
Whoa.